Okay, types of artificial intelligence. So there are two types. Type 1 based on capability and type 2 based on functionality. So based on capability, they classify into three: narrow AI, general AI, strong AI. Based on functionality, the type 2 categorized as to four: reactive machine, limited memory, theory of mind, self-awareness. So under type 1 based on capability, so that is number one, narrow AI or weak AI. So what is narrow AI? What is weak AI? The system it won't work beyond the limitation. They have some specific task. If they will be, if they might work uh, beyond the limitation, might be there will be unpredictable fail will be happen. So it's a weak AI. Narrow means it's a straight line, that it won't more than it won't go. So example, IBM Watson supercomputers, playing chess, e-commerce sites, speech recognition, image recognition. So these are example for narrow AI. General AI. General AI, is equal to the human. It's perfect like the human. So the system, it's based on the capability they split. Based on the capability, the type is going. So the efficiency like human. So this type of system still under research. They have to do a lot of efforts to manufacture this system. Then super AI. Super AI, it's more than human. It has to surpass the human intelligence. So the super AI, the another name is strong AI. So they can ability to think, solve the puzzles, make judgment plans. So everything they have to do the super AI. So I already said narrow AI, general AI. So yeah, narrow AI already in our world, but general AI still in the research. But super AI, is a hypothetical concept. What is hypothetical? Anumanam, imagination. Still, it is not the research. Then artificial intelligence type 2 based on functionality, reactive machines, limited memory, theory of mind, self-awareness. So reactive machine, based on the artificial intelligence, it doesn't have the memory. That means it won't store the past experience. So it works only current scenario. That is called as a reactive machine. That IBM Do Blue system. So it's a playing game. 1996, Kasparov is a world chess champion. It is beaten by this IBM Do Blue system. Reactive machines. And limited memory, the name itself said it's a limited memory. So they have some past experience or some data. The period of data it will work only, the some period of time it will be store the data. For example, consider as a self-driving car. So when the car is going through the traffic, so nearby the cars, it will nearby the cars, nearby the car information gather speed, car limitations, everything, so navigation of the road. So that's a limited memory. Theory of mind. AI should understand the human emotions, people believe and able to interact like humans. So that is theory of mind. So they have to, you know, if AI machine understand the human feeling, that is a theory of mind. If self-awareness means they can make own consciousness, that is called as self-awareness. So theory of mind. So system it understanding the human feeling, that is called as theory of mind. Still, it is not developed. It's under research. Self-awareness. You know, this is a system. It have to take its own consciousness, smarter than human mind. It's a hypothetical concept. So artificial intelligent, the having agent, the agent can perceive environment through the sensors, thinking, acting. So if you consider human as an agent, so our eyes, ears, so these are considered as a sensor, hand, leg, contacts, actuators. So robotic agent having cameras, infrared, finders, NLP sensors, and motor of the actuators. Software agents, the keystroke file contents are sensor, display output screen as actuators. So sensor, effector, actuator. So what is sensor? The sensor, it will be sense the information from the environment. Actuators, after the sensing the environment, it will be reflect in the environment through this actuators. Effectors. So these are the leg wheels and swinger wheels. So display screens. So these are the effectors. Also, artificial intelligence have to follow some four rules. You know, they have to pursue the environment. That is rule one, and rule two, they have to make decision, and rule three, result in action, and rule four, action action. So first, they have to pursue the environment, and rule two, make decision. Rule three, so after making decision, so the decision should be a result of action. And rule four, so the action taken by artificial intelligence must be rational action. What is rational? I already said it's a sixth sense way. So, something knowledgeable, heuristic way that is called as rational action. Okay, thank you.